Your front contour is basically the shape of your front hairline, and that varies from individual to individual. Choosing the right front contour of your hair system following the way of your front hairline is shaped will give you a more realistic and undetectable look in general. When customizing your hair system at Lordhair, you are given 4 different kinds of front contour to pick, which are AA, A, C, C, and C respectively, with AA front contour being the sharpest and C being the straightest. In case you don't feel like choosing from these 4 options, you could also send us your template, of which the shape of the front contour will be followed exactly the same way for production of your hair system. And for your reference, CC front contour has always been the very most popular and chosen one for both men and women, followed by A for men and C for women respectively. Thank you for watching.